Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the require screen on for camera control on the iPhone 16 lineup. So let's get started. Now the first thing is you do need to update your iPhone to 18.2 or newer. That is a feature starting with 18.2 or newer. So in your settings, general software update, and you should see 18.2 or newer version. Now once you updated your phone to that, all you're going to do is go in your settings and then go to display and brightness and tap on that and scroll all the way down here. There's a new section available now to be able to control your camera control, which is this button right here, to require screen on or off. So if you wanted to have the screen off, like doesn't matter, you can launch it anytime or you can have it on, but this will allow you to do that toggle starting with 18.2 or newer. So it gives you a little bit more control of how this button is turned on, so it doesn't accidentally open or launch the camera app whenever you press on that. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. Also, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.